As a teenager preparing for adulthood, learning to cook is an essential skill that will serve you throughout life. It's not just about preparing food. It's about fostering independence, saving money, and embracing a healthier lifestyle. Let's break down some simple steps to help you get started. Mastering easy dishes is the best way to build confidence in the kitchen. Learn to cook pasta, the foundation of countless meals. Whether it's spaghetti, mac and cheese, or pesto pasta, it's a versatile and quick option. Eggs are another essential ingredient. Perfect your skills in making scrambled eggs, omelets, or even poached eggs. Stir-fries are a great introduction to one-pan meals. Chop up some veggies, throw in some protein, and add soy sauce or your favorite seasoning for a healthy, tasty dish. Cooking fosters creativity and independence. You'll save money by preparing meals at home rather than eating out. Plus, you'll impress friends and family with your growing repertoire of recipes. By learning to cook, you control the ingredients you use. This means you can opt for healthier, fresher options, avoid processed foods, and tailor meals to your dietary needs or preferences. Start by familiarizing yourself with kitchen safety. Learn to use knives carefully, handle hot pans responsibly, and clean as you go. Prepping ingredients before cooking, also known as mise en place, can make cooking smoother and more enjoyable. Once you're comfortable with the basics, experiment with new recipes, spices, and cuisines. Cooking can become a fun, creative outlet. Learning to cook is a skill that grows with you, transforming from a necessity into a passion. Start simple, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey. Who knows, you might even inspire others to do the same.